Hi guys, I need to show you this project, like the fire alarm system, repetition work they did using red pipe. You can see red pipe for fire alarm. You can see. You can see red fire alarm. Framing. There you can see. You can see they used red pipe for fire alarm system. It came red already. And you can see here blocking and electrical work, elevation per drawing. And here you can see here the header above, door opening and window opening. Here they put 2x4 to correct the opening dimension. Here you can see ducting work, mechanical work, units, that is many split units. Each unit will have thermostat in the room. So that's how they did. And here the supply and return pipe, it's covered with insulation. It's like 3/4 and 3/8, two pipes. Okay. That's metal door frame, that's the opening. You can see the AC unit, and that pipe is the condensate pipe. You can see that pipe is the condensate pipe, pump up and then go there to the drain. You can see here. That is the condensate pipe. And here again, that is the red piping for fire alarm system. Okay guys. Mechanical work. You can see here in each office. So that's how to do headers. Opening here, as I said, they just adjust the opening, put 2x4. That's the headers about opening per drawing, and above metal door frames. And you can see red piping. So if you are interested in construction field, please just subscribe. I will upload more videos about construction work. I'll upload more videos. So guys, please again just subscribe. That is 6 inches metal framing, and you can see the blocking. That is water resistance for bathroom. Okay guys, again just subscribe. Thank you.